On this edition of Datitude, BBQ, and more, we're going to do better than restaurant quality chicken wings. Stay tuned. You don't want to miss this.
Datitude, barbecue, and more. Datitude, barbecue, and more.
Welcome back to Datitude, BBQ, and more. And as I said in the opening, we're not only doing chicken wings tonight, we're doing better than restaurant quality chicken wings. And we're going to do a little compare and contrast on different cooking methods for these wings to see which ones may turn out better. And if you don't have a certain thing like a grill, we can have another option. So I'm excited to show you that tonight. Before we get started, I mean, come on, you know what to do by now, right? You slap that bell, you hit the subscribe button, you give me some thumbs up, and you share this video with as many people as possible so we can get the word out on how to be a great cook in the kitchen. I also want to give a shout out tonight to a few people. A shout out to Rain, a shout out to Siri, a shout out to all of my 5th grade students in my class, a shout out to Elvis tonight as well, and a shout out to Opie. That's right, Opie. Shout out to you tonight. And on this channel, you know what the motto is. We're going to cut the flab and get straight to the meat. And that's what we're getting ready to do. So tonight, I'm going to do a compare and contrast. Sometimes you may not have a smoker at the house. Some people may not even have a grill. If you live in a small apartment, maybe you don't have a grill. And so a lot of my videos have been on the smoker and on the grill. And I want to give people an option in case they don't have that. So tonight I have my Ninja Foodie air fryer. So what we're going to do, I have a baker's dozen, 13 chicken wings laid out here. Got some drums, got the 2 bones as well. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to season these up, and then I'm going to use the air fryer for half, and we're going to put half on the grill, the smoker tonight. And we're going to compare and contrast the differences, as well as which one maybe looks better, tastes better, which one's more tender, things like that. So I'm going to go ahead, and we're going to go ahead and season these up tonight. And then I'm going to preheat the Ninja Foodie air fryer to 400 degrees. I'm going to set it for 15 minutes. And what I'm going to do on the air fryer portion is I'm going to flip those over about halfway through. So say at the 7-minute and 30-second mark, I'm going to flip them. I'll show you that on video. And then let them cook the rest of the way, and we'll take them out, let them cool, and then I will do the same for the grill. Now on the grill tonight, I'm also going to be cooking at 400. Typically it takes about 30 minutes, maybe 40 on the grill, just a different heating source and a different method. I'll flip those at about the halfway mark, so I'll flip those at about the 15-minute mark as well. Bring those in, let those cool, and then I'll sauce them up, and we'll have a little comparison, actual compare before we sauce them up. And tonight, I actually made, and you can kind of see the bowl back there, I made the Buffalo Wild Wings Parmesan garlic sauce for these wings tonight. Fantastic. I'll put the recipe in the description down below, and hopefully you'll make that as well as you make these. Easy to make, very tasty. All right, so let's go ahead and season these up again. Organic extra virgin olive oil. Oh, and I've got a little bit of Datitude seasoning here. I'm going to explain something here in just a second. First, I'm going to oil these up on both sides, obviously. And you can see on the secondary camera how I do that. And of course, I'm wearing gloves just because a little easier on the cleanup. All right. So we've oiled up the wings. And here's the thing. I put some Datitude seasoning in this container, in this shaker. I have found a secret to make the chicken wings even more crispy on the outside. 1 teaspoon of baking powder into the seasoning makes all the difference. I'll also put that in the description as well. But again, 1 teaspoon of baking soda with the seasoning makes all the difference on the crispiness of the wing. And again, as you know, on this channel, we like to season high. So that's what I'm going to do here. All right, I've seasoned one side of these. What I'll do is I'm going to season the other side after I put them on the grill. So, and then also put them in the air fryer. But before we do that, I'm actually going to take off the gloves, and I'm going to show you how I'm setting the air fryer. Well, actually what I'll do is I'll cut for now, and I'll give you a close-up on how I'm going to do the air fryer here in just a second. So I'm going to turn this off for now. We'll go ahead and turn this on, and we'll put those in when it's preheated and ready to go. So I'll see you again soon. All right, I'm back with the Ninja Foodie air fryer. If I go a little above the air fryer, you're going to see our friend Vinny up here. Vinny, say hi to everybody. That's right, Vinny. All right, we're going to come back down here. I'm going to go ahead and set the air fryer. So if you have an air fryer at home, you can do this. Same thing on any air fryer. So I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to hit air crisp. I'm going to hit 400. And then I'm going to turn this down to 15 minutes. Now I'm going to hit the start button, and it's going to start preheating. When it's preheated, I'll go ahead and put those on and show you the end result as well. All right, as you can see, it says add food. It is preheated. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to take some olive oil cooking spray. I'm going to spray it in here so we get a no stick. I'm going to put the seasoned side down on the air fryer. And then I'm going to season the top of those before I put the lid back down. All right. Now we're going to season. All right, those are nicely seasoned. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to shut the lid. And as you will see, we're set for 4 minutes. 400 degrees Fahrenheit at 15 minutes. So I'll flip these over at about the 7:30 mark. I'll show you how to do that as well. See you soon. All right, we're coming up on the 7-minute and 30-second mark. I'm going to open it up. And you can see on the air fryer on the inside how they look. I'm just going to flip them over. All right, and I'm going to shut the lid back, and we're going to let it go for the next 7 minutes and 30 seconds, and they will be finished. It's that easy. The smoke is rising from the Rectech. Let's go check out the wings. Oh, I can hear the sizzle going on in there. Let's see about turning these things over. All right, there we go. We've turned them over. About another 20 minutes, and everything should be good to go. All right, welcome back. The cooking has been done. So on the left side, I have an air fryer chicken wing. These are on the left side. On the right side, I have the Rectech Smoker Grill smoked/grilled chicken wing, as you can see here, a couple of those. So we're going to do a little compare and contrast. Also, I want to show you the Buffalo Wild Wings Parmesan garlic sauce that I made. We'll be tossing those in that here in just a second and plating those up. But first, we want to see how these turned out. So what I've noticed, just from being able to feel these, is these that came off the smoker and grill are much more tender. I can just tell that they're juicier. These still feel good, but the hardness on those coming off the air fryer versus the soft on the grill. That's the first thing I've noticed. I'm going to tear one of these apart. This is the air fryer one. And you can see, on the secondary camera, it's good. It tastes, obviously the taste test, I love it. Listen, that tastes just like a traditional chicken wing that you would get at Buffalo Wild Wings. Obviously no smoke flavor or anything like that, but it's crunchy on the outside, very, very tender on the inside. I don't know if you can see this on the camera or not. You can see on my gloves how juicy that is. That's amazing. Coming off the air fryer, 15 minutes. You can't beat that. The next one we're going to do, since I pulled up a drum on this one, we'll do a drum on this one. This is the smoked Rectech grilled chicken wing, and we're just going to go ahead and open that one up. And I can already say, just from touching it, it's definitely juicy. It's definitely juicier, I think, than the air fryer one. But of course, the proof is in the taste. But you can see even on the glove, I mean, it's very, very juicy. So I'm going to go ahead and just take a taste of this one as well. Now, guys, I'm partial to a smoker grill taste. This has some smoke flavor to it. Very tender, more tender than the air fryer ones. So basically what I would say is if you have a smoker, what I call a smoker grill, because it can do both, I would definitely do the wings on that if you had time. Now, these wings took roughly 35 to 40 minutes at a setting of 400 degrees. I did bump it up a little bit to 425 to get them finished a little quicker. Sometimes they finish in about 30 minutes. But if you have one, definitely use it for chicken wings. However, listen, you want restaurant quality chicken wings and you only have an air fryer at home, man, you've got it right here. I mean, this has the taste of a restaurant, in my opinion, a better than restaurant quality taste. And what I like about these is it only took 15 minutes. So if you're crunched for time and you want some chicken wings, hey, air fryer 15 minutes, flip them at halfway point, and you've got yourself a meal. So who's the winner? Well, in my corner, I would say that the smoked wings are the winner. However, if you don't have a smoker or a grill and you're short on time, then the air fryer ones would be the winner. I'm going to call it a draw. I'm going to call it, so if this was a boxing match, I'd hold up both arms and say, hey, both of you had fought a good fight and you came out on top. So depending on your preference and depending on your time and depending on if you have both cooking methods, hey, do it yourself and see what you think. And I would love to know in the comments if you did any in the air fryer, if you did any on the smoker. I'd love to know. Also, in the comments, one thing I haven't asked, I know that we're starting to get a worldwide audience here on Datitude. I know we have people from Colombia watching. I know for a fact we have people in Cuba watching. I know for a fact we have people in Argentina watching, in Brazil watching. So in the Caribbean, we have, and in the South American region, we have plenty of people. I actually got a message the other day from somebody from Europe that's been watching. So we are going worldwide on Datitude, BBQ, and more. What I would love is for you to comment and tell me where you're from. I originate and I do the cooking here in the state of Indiana in the United States. But I would love to know where you're coming from to watch this video. It's amazing to me how the video gets out to certain people and on certain feeds worldwide. It just blows my mind. So guys, I am so happy to be back and doing another video for you tonight. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope it was a little bit entertaining. And I hope you got some good techniques. Now remember, I'm going to post, oh yes, and then also we're supposed to sauce the wings. How do we sauce? Now I'm not going to differentiate between the two. I'm just going to throw them all in. So I'm going to throw them in the sauce. And then I'm going to leave the ones that I kind of picked on out. I'm going to put the lid back on. We're just going to do a shake. I think we can get a little bit better sauce on these. I'm glad I've got the gloves on. A little bit more coverage on the sauce. Oh yeah, much better coverage on the sauce. We're going to go ahead and dump them out on the plate. I'm going to go ahead and shed the gloves. Do a little wipe up here real quick. And then I'm going to show you a close-up of the sauce wings. Look at those. Now, do those look good? I know they taste good, but those look great. Now tell me these don't look like restaurant quality wings, if not better. So there we go. We've sauced them up. We've plated them. They're ready to eat, and I am going to dig in and enjoy this meal tonight. So again, remember to slap that bell, hit the subscribe button, give me some thumbs up, and share this video so we can get people cooking in the kitchen and being good cooks in the kitchen. That's the most important. Well, guys, I don't know what I'm going to cook for the next video. If you have some suggestions that you would like to see, also, please leave those in the comments section. I would love to see those, and I'll cook whatever you tell me to cook. So until next time, I'll see you again on Datitude, BBQ and more.
Datitude barbecue. He's the grilling dude. Datitude barbecue. You know how we do. Let it burn, smoking meats on that smoker grill. Clouds in the sky, you can smell the flavor in the air. Datitude.